Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find draft post on Facebook. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to hold Facebook application and click on app info. So once you are here, you simply need to allow all notifications, because if your notifications are off, you not have to view, there is no option to view the draft. So you simply need to go back, and after that you need to open Facebook application and click on what's on your mind. So I'm going to add I am coming to the US, for example, and click on this again and click on save as draft, and here you can see you will receive a notification with your draft. Okay, and here you can see I receive a notification. Click on that, and here you can see that your draft will be expired in 3 days. Okay, and click on three dots. You can discard draft, and if you want you can open draft. So I'm going to open. So here you can see, so this is the process by which you can find your drafts on Facebook. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.